Next we have to derive the relation between current density and drift velocity. We know this equation. Current is equal to NAE into VD. Current density, we know the formula. J is equal to I by A. Then you can substitute the value I. You get NAEVD, the whole divided by A. A and A cancel. You get the current density J is equal to NE into VD. This is the relation connecting current density and drift velocity. Next question is, deduce Ohm's law using the concept of drift velocity. Here you know the equation. Current I is equal to NAE into VD. We know the value of drift velocity E into E tau by M. Substitute here, you will get I is equal to NAE E tau by M. Here we can write the same equation as NAE square E tau by M. There is a relation connecting electric field and potential. That is, electric field is equal to potential by distance. So you can write the equation as I is equal to NAE square V tau by L into M. You can write I by V, which is equal to NAE square tau by L into M. The same equation we can write V by I is equal to M L by N E square tau into A. If we consider this as a constant, we can write V by I is equal to R. This is Ohm's law.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in next class.